We're at 3721 43rd Street, located at the 4-inch plumbing vent above the roof. The camera is currently at 85 feet, which is as far as it will go due to an apparent offset, and from here we'll pull back. And it looks like some debris and or possible root intrusion at approximately 86 or 87 feet, which is beyond where the camera was able to reach. And some standing water was located from approximately 46 to 59 feet, which indicates a possible low spot. Here a transition exists from cast iron to ABS at approximately 33 feet. And looks like some possible debris to the left at approximately 25 feet. And a little bit more debris at 25 feet.